In today's fast-paced world, grocery delivery services have become a convenient option for many. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or simply someone who values time, these services can simplify your shopping experience and free up your schedule. Let's explore some of the top grocery delivery services available today. One of the most popular options is Instacart. This service partners with major grocery stores, allowing you to shop from your favorite local stores online. With a user-friendly app, you can easily browse products, create your shopping list, and even schedule deliveries. Instacart also offers same-day delivery in many areas, making it an excellent choice for urgent grocery needs. Next up is Amazon Fresh, which has revolutionized the way people shop for groceries. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you have access to Amazon Fresh at no extra delivery cost. This service provides a wide selection of fresh produce and pantry staples, and you can often find exclusive deals. Plus, with their advanced delivery options, you can receive your groceries right at your doorstep. Don't forget about Walmart grocery delivery. Walmart has made strides in offering grocery delivery services, allowing shoppers to order online and receive their groceries at home or even in-store for pickup. With competitive pricing and a vast selection of products, Walmart is a go-to for many families looking to save both time and money. In conclusion, choosing the right grocery delivery service depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you opt for Instacart, Amazon Fresh, or Walmart, each offers unique benefits that can make your grocery shopping experience easier and more enjoyable. Happy shopping!